שער אחד, יציאה לרחוב צ'רניחובסקי.
Here we come to the parking garage elevators at Dizengoff Center Shopping Mall in Tel Aviv, Israel. The MP elevator, which is MacPuarsa, a Spanish elevator manufacturer. 209166. 8 persons or 630 kilograms.
קומה -4, חניון. קומה 1, קניות, שער 1, יציאה לרחוב צ'רניחובסקי.
View, basic elevator. Hey there! Let's look at the indicator. There's an enter over here. Oh man, it's so hot inside this elevator. It's really hot.
קומה -4,
No, let's
חניון.
go to one finisher because I don't have enough memory. There's an emergency telephone. Here we go.
קומה 1, קניות, שער 1, יציאה לרחוב צ'רניחובסקי.
Okay, finishing here.